AI Street continued, the heroes, the rules, and the human factor. Welcome back to Accounting iQbitz. Following our previous exploration into AI role on Wall Street, in this session, let's dive deeper. Let us talk about the real-life heroes of AI transforming the industry. When we talk about artificial intelligence or AI, we're spotlighting today's transformative technologies. Take DeepMind's AlphaGo, from mastering the intricate board game Go. It has been adapted to analyze complex financial data. And IBM Watson, after dominating Jeopardy, now a powerhouse, integrates financial news, market indicators, and even social media sentiment to assist portfolio managers in making split-second decisions. OpenAI's latest GPT models, Assistant API, are remarkable for their conversational abilities, provide agent-like experiences, and can analyze complex financial trends, and now even predict market shifts with accuracy. One of the most thrilling advancements is the application of reinforcement learning in portfolio management. These algorithms are being trained on decades of data, pulling insights that would take human analysts many years to uncover. In this revolutionary transformation, possibilities are endless. Now, navigating the regulatory waters. Ethically and legally, our responsibilities are enormous in this new era. Financial markets operate under a host of regulations, like the Dodd-Frank Act US, and Markets in Financial Instruments Directive in Europe. These were designed at a time when humans had limitations. There's also talk about data security measures and ethical AI audits to ensure being socially responsible and free of biases. So, what is the future direction? As we stand at the crossroads, cutting-edge tools like TensorFlow and OpenAI's GPT models are transforming investment ideologies. This has prompted regulators to rethink existing frameworks, especially around data privacy, algorithmic transparency, and would likely bring regulation over LLM. These regulatory trends suggest a pivot towards local or smaller, smart, custom-tailored, and nuanced AI over large language models. Also, let's understand the human element and jobs in the age of AI. What happens to the traders, analysts, and brokers who have been the backbone of Wall Street for decades? The human element. This is not just a philosophical question, it's a pressing reality. As the AI is not a substitute for human intuition, ethics, or contextual understanding, the investors, traders of tomorrow will be more akin to being data scientists, interpreting and fine-tuning AI algorithms like GPT tools rather than being replaced by them. Future for humans and AI will rather be a collaborative landscape where each amplifies the other's strengths. As we close, remember that every giant leap for mankind started with a single, thoughtful step. Thank you for joining us on an exciting episode of Accounting iQbitz. Your curiosity inspires our journey into the future. If you found value in this episode, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.